Hey everyone, welcome to our first maintenance video. It's going to be the most important one, and that is maintenance of your lenses.
Here's the Muse lens, and we're also going to show the Pro lens and also the Fiber lens. First, we're going to start with the Muse Hobby Laser. This is the Muse Hobby Laser lens. It's where it lives, and that's how we pop it out. That simple. Now we're going to take our lens wipe and simply clean the lens. We know these wipes are nice and clean because they're pre-packaged and made to use only once. Then we're going to slide this guy back in. And it's that simple. What's cool about the Muse Titan is it uses exactly the same lens setup. So if you're used to the Muse, no problem transferring over to the Muse Titan.
Now the reason it's important to keep your lens clean is because debris will deposit on top of your lens and then the laser hits it, destroying the lens. Lenses are considered consumable and they are quite expensive to replace, so maintenance is key. But if you want to possibly win a free lens, enter our contest, #MadeWithFSL. You post it on Facebook and you could win a free lens of your choice, 1.5, 2.0, or 5.0, or a replacement for your default lens.
Now we're going to do our Pro Series lasers. This is our PS48, and we're going to start out by loosening all the stuff on the laser head. We're going to start with the plastic screws on the bracket, the air hose, and then the thumb screw. First, we're going to start with the little plastic screws on the gold bracket. This is your autofocus bracket. We're going to just simply loosen those guys up. Then we're going to remove the airline from our laser head and then loosen the thumb screws and pull out our telescopic tube. Now we're going to remove the laser cone. And there's your lens. But that's not all. Now we have to find a specific tool to get that lens out. And that's inside of your toolbox. There's a little bag with a little tool that looks like this. This guy's in the bag, and you're going to simply pop that guy out and use it like a screwdriver. We're going to put this guy in here and sort of just get it started lefty-loosey, and then we're going to twist. I find holding it vertically and then twisting the actual tube is easier than just using the tool. I get to a specific spot and then use my fingers, my dirty maker fingers, to pull out the collar. First we want to put on our gloves because our hands are dirty, and even if they're clean, they're full of oils that could ruin the lens. We prefer you use purple gloves, but you can use any gloves of your choice. Then we're going to remove our little rubber gasket and then the lens. So we're going to drop it into our lens wipe. Make sure that when we install it properly. We want it convex side down in this position, and concave up in this position. But remember, that's upside down from where it's going back into the machine, so just keep that in mind. Once we put everything back in place, just how it was, hold it vertically again and twist. Now we're going to reinstall everything as it was. Tighten up our thumb screws. We're going to get our tube back in place, our air line. We're just going to tighten that guy up. And after that, we're going to use the screwdriver and tighten the gold bracket back up. Now we are going to do our fiber lasers. This one's pretty simple. We've got the Muse Pandora and the Open Galvo system, and they both have a lens. The Pandora's on the inside, obviously, as it is an enclosed system, and then we have our open system right here. We're going to pop our lens cap off, keep that guy on while you're not using the machine, open up our lens wipe, and simply clean the lens. No right or wrong here, just make sure it's nice and clean and nothing gets on that lens. Once done, put the cap back on.
So we cover the Pro Series and the Muse and the Pandora when it comes to lenses. I hope we answered all your questions. If not, put it in the comment section below, we'll get to you. And subscribe and like that video if you want more information like this. And until next time, keep making.